For my score analysis, I chose to focus on the hymn, the Old Hundredth. Originating in the Genevan Psalter, the doxology, also known as Old Hundredth, was written by Bishop Thomas Ken sometime in the late 17th century. Thomas Ken also wrote several other hymns that typically started with the intro, "Praise God from whom all blessings flow." Hence, this phrase soon became known as the doxology intro. Words were put to music between 1674 and 1748 by Isaac Watts. The purpose of the hymn was for congregations to sing together during Mass or service. It was typically played on organ, as this clip will explain. Now explain demonstrate. So this particular score has one sharp, which according to the Circle of Fifths means that it's either in the key of G major or the relative minor of G major, E minor. Because the song ends on a G major chord, however, it is in the major key. This time signature for Old Hundredth is 4/4, also called common time. 4/4 is simple quadruple meter, because it has the beat value on the quarter note and 4 beats per measure. The melody of this song ranges from the key of G to the key of D, keeping the main melody and chords between the interval of a perfect fifth. This hymn has 4 phrases, each 2 measures long, creating a total of 8 measures. This gives the piece a very balanced and mathematical structure, which is one thing that Math in Motion encourages to notice about all music. Phrases 1 and 2 are almost identical, establishing the main melodic and harmonic patterns. Phrase 1 follows the progression 1, 1, 5, 6, 2, 6, 5, 1. Moving from the tonic to the dominant, introducing contrast through 6 and 2, before resolving back to the tonic. Phrase 2 continues this pattern with 1, 1, 2, 6, 4, 1, 5, 6, 2, and 1, reinforcing the tonic while providing tension through the minor chords before resolving again. Phrase 3 also introduces contrast by rising to the highest point in the melody. Its harmony begins with 2 for a minor dissonance, then moves through 1, 4, 5, and 1, and continues with 1, 1, 6, 5, 7, 1, 5, and 1, creating tension through the use of minor chords 6 and 7 before returning to the tonic. Phrase 4 returns to the familiar opening pattern and concludes with a strong cadence. The phrase moves through 4, 5, and 1, establishing a clear cadence that firmly ends the piece. Overall, the harmonic structure of Old Hundredth highlights the tonic, dominant, subdominant relationships, using minor chords like 2, 6, and 7 as contrasting chords, and uses resolution and repetition to create a balanced musical form. When I transposed the song to the key of D, I first changed all the notes into the step degree from the tonic, then changed the key by taking it up 5 half steps. The 6 most common intervals are major second, minor second, major third, perfect fourth, perfect fifth, and unison. In conclusion, Old Hundredth is a simple but beautifully balanced hymn. Its predictable harmony and step-to-step medley and mathematically even structure make it both easily to sing and appealing to the ear. This is why it has remained one of the most well-known hymns for centuries. Throughout my time studying music theory, I've come to appreciate and enjoy the mathematical side of music. As a person who has played in piano for 6 years, this project and course has deepened my appreciation and awe at the vast world of music theory and all it is capable of. Thank you.